Let's hear from MaryKate, a senior marketing communication and advertising major in the AACSB Accredited College of Business. Fewer than 5% of business schools in the world hold this distinction. MK is going to tell you about how she's leveraged the incredible applied learning experiences at WNE into a full-time job. Let's hear it, MaryKate.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up locally, when it came time to look at colleges, I knew I wanted to stay in the New England area and study business. When my high school's internship program placed me with an amazing team at Western New England, I got a first-hand look at what makes this university so special. The decision to continue my education here was a no-brainer. WNE encourages us to embrace change and discover new opportunities in our field of study. Being surrounded by dedicated professors and students has allowed me to expand my knowledge and pave the way for me to serve as president of the American Marketing Association on campus and to collaborate with professors to help develop a new course offering in marketing. Our professors genuinely care about their students and are tuned into the changing trends in business so that they can keep us on top of the industry. One of the most important aspects of a WNE education is the hands-on learning experiences that help you apply what you've learned and build your confidence. WNE partners with over 1,000 internship sponsors to help connect you with networking opportunities and resume building experiences. Every student can participate in research projects, internships, and fieldwork, and design projects that can add value to your degree. I recently completed a successful internship at a digital marketing agency. It went so well that they created an entirely new position just for me, based on the skills I learned here at WNE. I'll now be working at the agency full-time as a content strategy specialist before I even graduate. I'm graduating a semester early, but I won't be going far. In fact, I'll be staying here at Western New England to earn my master's degree in organizational leadership. That's all for me. Back to you, Alex.
Congrats, MaryKate. Now that's powerful preparation for the future of work. Leveraging an internship into a full-time job before you graduate is a huge accomplishment. It shows that at WNE, the sky's the limit. We're all wishing you the best of luck. Go get them.